everyone, today we are going to discuss about IP addresses. Every machine needs a unique identity to communicate with other devices. So they brought up a numerical system to identify every machine. This is called IP address. An IP address is a 32-bit dotted decimal. As we all know, a machine can understand only zeros and ones. If these zeros and ones combine with 8 digits, it is called a byte. Each zeros and ones in a byte is called bit. Here you can see that every one is a bit and 8 ones is a byte. Now, there are 5 classes of IP address. Class A is between 1.0.0.0 to 126.255.255.255. Class B is between 128.0.0.0 to 191.255.255.255. Class C is between 192.0.0.0 to 223.255.255.255. Class D is between 224.0.0.0 to 239.255.255.255. Class E is between 240.0.0.0 to 255.255.255.255. Class D and Class E are used for other purposes, and 127.0.0.0 is also left for further use. Now, let me tell you what is network ID and host ID. Before that, have you ever wondered the last IP address always ends with 255? This is because the binary form of 255 is 8 ones and it is the highest in the binary form. So we take 255 as the maximum IP address. Here you can see that 8 ones become 255.255.255.255. Now, what is network ID? Network ID is a portion of the IP address which decides the network and is constant. Host ID is a portion of the IP address which identifies the host in a network. In Class A, we can see that 10 is the network ID and 0, 0 and 1 are host ID. This is because the first decimal in Class A is a network ID and the last 3 decimals are host ID. In Class B, the first 2 decimals are network ID and the last 2 decimals are host ID. In Class C, the first 3 decimals are network ID and the last decimal is host ID. We can see the number of hosts which could connect Class A. We have to multiply 256 3 times and minus 2. This is because there are 3 host IDs. So we multiply 256 3 times and this minus 2 takes place because of the network ID and the broadcast address. What is broadcast address? The broadcast address is the last address of a network, and if we send a message to the broadcast address, it will send the message to all possible hosts in the network. So we could not use network ID and broadcast address. So we do minus 2. So in Class A, 16,77,214 hosts could connect. In Class B, the same. There are 2 host IDs, so 256 into 256 minus 2. So we get 65,534. In Class C, there is only 1 host ID, so we do 256 minus 2 only. So 254 hosts could connect Class C. Now, what is private IP addresses? It is used in small organizations, homes, and offices. Public IP addresses are used in big organizations. Now, we'll see the private IP address range. In Class A, it is between 10.0.0.0 to 10.255.255.255. In Class B, it is between 172.16.0.0 to 172.31.255.255. In Class C, it is between 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255. Now, what is subnet mask? We can see that in Class A, The subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. This is because there is only one network ID. So, the network ID is replaced as 255. In class B, also we have two network IDs. So, we put 255s and 2 zeros. In class C, we have three network IDs and we put 3 255s, and host ID is only one, so we put only 1 0. Thank you.